Everything's good. Everything's okay. Ooh. Do you know another way of saying okay? You can say it like that, or you can say, give me 5. Do you know what give me 5 means? We don't say give, go like that. And that means it's okay. Give me 5, Grace. Means 5 fingers. You want to? I'll take him in now, okay? Like Nam 1, yeah, she's already inside. So okay.
What it doing?
She's probably lying down having a rest now after running around like that.
Say thank you, Uncle, and bye-bye, Uncle.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Give me 5. Wait, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Where are you running, Grace? Where are you going?
Go home.
Okay, which way? Which way is going back home? Oh.
Uncle,
Yeah.
I love number 1.
Huh?
I love
You love them? Okay, I think they love you as well for giving them a walk.
number 1. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.